Hello friends, welcome to Full House Kitchen. Today we are sharing this delicious beetroot, carrot and orange smoothie which has it all. This is a must-try smoothie and such a healthy breakfast. So let's see how to make it. So friends, for this detox recipe we are using equal proportion of beetroot, carrot and orange. However, you can adjust as per your liking. And now we are adding ginger, which is loaded with antioxidants, and also adding some black pepper. And we are also adding some freshly squeezed orange juice, which is highly rich in vitamin C. And next we add honey, about 2 to 3 spoons. It's actually really great antioxidant which can protect our body from inflammation and also sweetens the drink. There goes all our ingredients, and it goes on smoothie settings in the blender. So this smoothie is going to be a bit thick because we have not used enough liquid, which we have used orange juice, but if you like you can even increase the quantity of orange juice. So friends, we have used a strainer here to remove some extra pulp. So here our detox smoothie drink is almost ready, and we are going to squeeze some fresh lemon juice in it on top. And this is a must-try smoothie, friends. Give it a try, and this is super easy to make, and I hope you like our recipe. Please do not forget to like and subscribe our channel if you haven't done already, and thank you for watching. Enjoy!